Litia Qionibaravi is a Fijian chief and member of the Parliament of Fiji. She is a member of the Social Democratic Liberal Party. Qionibaravi is from Uquniwanwa in Warata, Telugu Province. She trained as a lawyer, then worked as a civil servant, serving more than 30 years in the Fijian Affairs Ministry. On 17 June 2005 she was appointed for a 5-year term as Chief Executive Officer of the Fijian Affairs Board. In this capacity, she oversaw the work of the country's 14 provincial councils, the Fijian Affairs Scholarship Unit, and the Secretariat of the Great Council of Chiefs. On 13 December 2006 Qionibaravi was purportedly dismissed by the military regime after the 2006 Fijian coup d'etat. The military cited her alleged unwillingness to cooperate with the interim administration. Fiji Live reported that 3 armed soldiers had evicted her from her office in the building of the Native Lands Trust Board. Fiji Television reported on 24 December, however, that she had refused to accept her dismissal. Ratu Ovini Bokini, chairman of the Great Council of Chiefs, supported her stance, claiming that only the FAB was empowered to terminate her contract. She continued to work from an improvised office in the Great Council of Chiefs Secretariat, in defiance of the regime, which appointed Ratu Meli Bainimarama, brother of military commander Commodore Frank Bainimarama, in her stead. Commodore Bainimarama reacted angrily on 17 December, with Fiji Live quoting him as saying that the stance of the Great Council of Chiefs in refusing to recognize Qionibaravi's dismissal was indicative of their non-cooperation with the military regime. The Fijian Affairs Board formalized the termination of Qionibaravi's contract on 20 January 2007. The newly appointed board, consisting of 5 interim cabinet ministers and chaired by Ratu Epeli Ganilau, the interim minister for Fijian affairs, formally dismissed her at an emergency meeting called to regularize the issue of Litia, in Ganilau's words. On the 22nd of December, Commodore Bainimarama was quoted in Fiji Village as accusing Qionibaravi of having misused government funds to buy a personal vehicle and to pay the 2 workers renovating her house in Mafu Street, Suva. On the 23rd of December, Qionibaravi replied that she was shocked to hear the allegations, but refused to comment further. On the 23rd of December, however, she held a press conference and angrily denied the allegations, saying that she owned no house in Mafu Street. She had an FAB office there. She said the car had been purchased with a loan approved by her superior, the Permanent Secretary for Fijian Affairs. The Fiji Times quoted her as saying, Qionibaravi was appointed General Secretary of the Social Democratic Liberal Party in February 2016. As General Secretary, she reformed the party constitution. She was elected to Parliament in the 2018 elections, winning 2,195 votes. On 25 July 2021 she was arrested by Fijian police after criticizing government moves to amend land legislation.